I wonder if this is all shell or am I gonna get some crab meat out of there? We gonna see. Yeah. God. Ooh. I'm not rating this meal, I'm just eating. Just enjoying my food today. Oh yeah. There we go. We had to take that coat off. We had to put a bib on, you feel me? Too much drip. Can't get the drip on the drip, you feel me? No. Oh, can't be having the butter drip on the drip. That's a no-no. Yeah, there we go. I like it. Hot. Y'all see how big this is? Look at that, guys. I got my little friends in the back. They having fun. Look, chilling. Enjoying themselves. Ooh. King crab. Oh, really? Oh. That came out that claw. Y'all stay blessed. I'm out.